Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the PUTORSEN Motorized Ceiling TV Mount Flip Down. A sleek and innovative solution for anyone looking to save space while adding a modern touch to their living area. This ceiling mount is designed to accommodate TVs ranging from 37 to 75 inches. Supporting up to 99 pounds and a wide variety of visa patterns, from 200 by 100 all the way to 600 by 400 millimeters. Whether your TV is flat or slightly curved, this mount promises compatibility with most designs. Although TVs with bottom-positioned visa holes may be limited to 60 inches without additional accessories. What really sets this mount apart is its smooth motorized drop feature. At the touch of a button, your TV gently lowers from the ceiling, allowing you to stop it at any desired viewing angle. It can tilt up to 80 degrees, and horizontal leveling can be fine-tuned by 2 degrees to ensure a perfect, glare-free view no matter where you're sitting. The motor operates quietly, so whether you're watching movies, gaming, or joining a video call, there's no distracting noise. Space saving is another major advantage. When the TV isn't in use, it folds flat against the ceiling, giving your room a minimalist, clutter-free appearance. This is especially useful in bedrooms, living rooms, home offices, RVs, or game rooms where wall space may be limited. Installation is versatile as well, compatible with flat or sloped ceilings, and supports brick, concrete, or wooden stud ceilings. The included remote works up to 65 feet, giving you complete control without needing to get up. For TVs where the visa holes are lower than the standard, PUTORSEN provides a visa extender, allowing up to 7 inches of extra vertical extension. This ensures that even with unique TV designs, you can still enjoy the full functionality of this ceiling mount. Constructed from alloy steel and ABS materials, this mount offers a reinforced structure for secure support. And the premium motor delivers reliable and fast operation. With a smooth electric fold-up design, extended range control, and adjustable tilt, it's built to elevate your viewing experience while maintaining safety and stability. In short, the PUTORSEN Motorized Ceiling TV Mount Flip Down is an impressive combination of style, engineering, and convenience. It transforms any space into a modern entertainment hub, providing flexibility, space-saving benefits, and a premium viewing experience. Whether you want to hide your TV when it's not in use or simply enjoy the luxury of motorized control, this ceiling mount is a sophisticated solution that blends technology and design seamlessly. That wraps up our look at the PUTORSEN Motorized Ceiling TV Mount Flip Down. If you're interested in modernizing your space with a functional, high-quality ceiling mount, this one is definitely worth considering. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more detailed reviews on the latest gadgets and home innovations.